Welcome to this quick and helpful guide on how to allow WhatsApp Web for sound on your PC after the latest update. If you're not hearing message tones or call alerts while using WhatsApp Web, don't worry, this simple fix will get everything working again in just a few steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp website and scanning the QR code with your phone if you're not already logged in. Once the page is up and you see your chats, we're ready to move on. Next, look at the top of your browser. Right next to the web address, you'll see a small icon, usually a padlock or a circle. That's where you'll click to view site information. This is where your browser keeps settings that control what the site can do, like sending notifications, using your camera, or playing sounds. After that, select Settings. A small menu or tab should open showing the different permissions for WhatsApp Web. Now go to Permissions and click on More Settings Permissions. This is an important step because it allows you to see and manage all the permissions in one place. Scroll down until you find Sound. If it's set to block or ask, that's why you haven't been hearing any alerts. Simply click the drop-down menu next to Sound and choose Allow. That's it. You've successfully enabled sound for WhatsApp Web on your PC. From now on, message tones and call notifications will play normally, just like on your phone. If the sound still doesn't play, double check your system volume or make sure browser notifications and sound settings aren't muted. But in most cases, following these steps solves the problem right away. Thanks for watching.